Let's bring Jordan Segundo in right now. You know, Jordan, lots of sunshine for a picnic, but maybe really warm though for it.
Oh yes, we still saw temperatures above average. Again, the average here in Sacramento around 76 degrees. We got into the low 80s here, mid 80s out in Marysville, lower 80s out towards Stockton and Modesto. And we did get into the 70s up in the foothills and upper 60s up in Truckee. So again, these temperatures were slightly cooler than the numbers that we saw earlier this week. We're going to see very similar numbers tomorrow, maybe a degree or two warmer. And then as we head into Monday, high pressure builds in, and get ready. We'll see the 90s all across the valley floor, possibly mid 90s in some spots. Right now, though, pretty nice afternoon, early evening. Let's take a live look outside through our Holiday Inn camera. Look at that, not one cloud in the sky. Temperatures, though, yes, still on the warmer side. Let's take a look at our current temperature in Sacramento, 77 degrees, Stockton 74, Modesto at 78. And up in Marysville coming through at 84 degrees. All right, our humidity at 42%. That's going to be dropping, though, as winds turn to the north. We got our dew point at 52, and the winds right now, yes, very breezy in downtown. Southwest at 16 miles per hour, some gusts up to 24, and our pressure right now falling at 29.85. All right, our current satellite and radar does show that we got some clearing skies here in the valley. We got some thunderstorm activity up to the north, though. It's mainly going to stay there for the overnight hours. There is a 20% chance, though, that we could see maybe a shower or two out towards Truckee, but for the rest of the Sierra, you're going to remain high and dry tonight and into tomorrow. Again, there is a change, though, in the forecast. As we head towards our Sunday, winds will be shifting a bit to the north. Right now, we're getting an onshore flow, but as that system right there heads off towards the east, high pressure builds in right behind it, so that pressure gradient in between those two storms will help to bring those winds from the north. And again, we could see gusts up to 35 to possibly 40 miles per hour here in the valley, and it is going to bring that red flag warning in place starting tomorrow morning all the way through Tuesday. So this is a look at our futurecast with the wind speeds. Again, as it shifts to the north, the winds will lighten up a bit into the foothills. The coast, though, they're going to continue with those very strong and gusty winds, already at 38 out towards San Francisco. By tomorrow morning, the stronger winds will be on the western side of the valley. Then as we go throughout the day tomorrow, the winds will spread into parts of the foothills, so the lower foothills will be in that red flag warning. And then as we head into late Sunday night into Monday, look at that, those numbers continue to increase, and we'll likely see some very strong winds through Tuesday. So again, fire danger will definitely be in place. For tonight, though, temperatures dipping down into the low to mid 50s out towards the northern San Joaquin Valley, mid 80s once again for our Sunday forecast. Again, sunny and breezy throughout our day tomorrow. As we take a look at the foothills, we'll see lighter winds, though, for the north to start out in Jackson and Sonora. We'll see mid to upper 70s tomorrow, 78 out in Auburn, low 70s in Forest Hill, upper 60s in Pollock Pines. And heading higher up the mountain, we'll see a cool evening tonight with temperatures warming into the upper 60s to low 70s for Sunday out towards Plumas County. And if you're heading out towards the greater Lake Tahoe area, again, we may see a possibility of a shower out in Truckee. Should be clearing by early morning. We'll see 60s on the board tomorrow with winds mainly from the northeast at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Along the coast, mid 70s in San Francisco, things will be getting gusty along the Bay Area. I mean, they're already seeing some winds, but it'll be shifting a bit to the west and northwest. 85 out in Fairfield, and 7-day forecast. Here we go. Because of the breezy winds, San Francisco gets into the 70s tomorrow and Tuesday, and then into the foothills. Look at that. By Monday into Tuesday, we get right back into the 80s. Mid 80s, though, on Wednesday, even into the high country. We're going to get into the mid 70s by Wednesday. So here's that valley forecast. 85 today. High pressure builds in. The winds continue. We get 90 on Monday, 92 for Tuesday and Wednesday. We may possibly even see numbers closer to the mid 90s by then. Then after that, we get a system that drops in, and that's going to help to cool things down. Look at that, low 80s as we head into Thursday, mid 70s by Friday, which brings us a little closer to our average. And again, right now, pretty dry in the forecast, just warmer weather with those stronger winds. Marley?